Welcome to Lecture 2 of our Trading Psychology course. Today, we explore why trading, something that seems so simple, can be so emotionally and mentally exhausting. Why do so many smart people fail at trading? Trading appears easy, logical, and profitable, but most traders fail despite talent or education. The reason? Psychological traps hidden in the freedom trading offers. The market is an environment with no boundaries. No one tells you what to do, no required start or end time, no rules unless you create them. The result? Mental chaos and impulsive actions. What makes trading so attractive? The dream of independence and unlimited money. The thrill of risk and fast gains. Instant feedback and control. The belief I can beat the system, but there's a dark side. It's easy to ignore losses. Addictive random rewards mimic gambling. Emotional imbalance from fear, greed, and regret. Lack of internal structure leads to chaos. How were we taught to think from birth? Don't do that. Be careful, you're wrong. Denied freedom leads to emotional repression. As traders, we enter a boundaryless world, unprepared. Denied impulses equal addictive behavior. Repressed curiosity and control turn into trading obsession. The market becomes a place to prove worth. Unresolved needs from childhood fuel risky behavior. Douglas explains that unresolved emotional energy shows up as compulsion in trading, risking big to feel right or in control. What happens without rules? No stop loss, you can lose endlessly. No plan, you panic and freeze. No internal structure, the market eats you alive. Freedom without structure is dangerous. Unlimited possibilities without rules create psychological challenges most aren't prepared for. You make the rules, or the market punishes you. Emotional damage can outweigh financial loss. The market doesn't care. The market doesn't know who you are. It doesn't reward effort, only results. It won't stop your losses. You must. Discipline and structure must come from within. You need rules before entering the trade. Define your risk, always. Create boundaries, routines, and systems. Without them, you'll be reactive, not strategic. Let's recap what we've covered in today's lecture. Trading is psychologically dangerous due to its freedom. Most traders are not mentally prepared for unlimited choices. Emotional baggage from childhood affects trading decisions. Without internal discipline, success is impossible. Structure must come from you, not the market. Coming up next in Lecture 3, we'll dive into taking responsibility. We'll explore why blaming the market is a losing mindset, how to own your decisions, building the mental environment of a consistent trader, and shifting from fear to empowerment. In trading, the greatest enemy is not the market, it's the trader who doesn't understand their own mind. Thank you for joining Lecture 2. Let's keep building the mindset of a successful, fearless trader.